Ma'am, do you have one piece of bath towel, one piece of polo, one piece of polo shirt, and one piece of pants? House. Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, I'm done unpacking your luggage. What do you prefer to put your clothes? Or in the cabinet or in the top of the bed? Let me introduce our amenities in our hotel. We have the H television, a lot of channel provided by the hotel, and beside to our H television, we have the mini refrigerator. And in our refrigerator, there's a lot of items. And let me remind you, ma'am, that if you consume this item, it will add to your account.
Okay, thank you.
My question, ma'am, also our sound detector curtain, and when you say open the curtain, it is automatically open. Ma'am, beside to our curtain, we'll also have your one king bed size. Beside to your bed, you have your telephone. Ma'am, please come forward for your telephone. Ma'am, please introduce me to your telephone. Please press 1 for housekeeping department. Press and please press 2 for our F&B department, and press 3 for our housekeeping department. Ma'am, this is my personal calling card. If you have any further assistance, don't hesitate to call me.
Okay, I will.
That's for all, ma'am. Enjoy your stay in our hotel and have a great day.